Lift your stick up. Widen your leg. Okay, come. Stick is down here now. Turn your stick down to the middle of your mat. Bring yourself down. And then look up. Stay for 3, 2. Make sure the stick straight. 1. Come up. Okay, now one more time. Lift up. Stick down in the middle. Turn to your right now. Yes, stick straight. Stay for 3, 2, 1. Okay, now come up completely. Come. Inhale up. Legs are wide. Rotate backwards. Okay, hands are wide. Back. And come back straight here. To the front now. Turn your body to your left. Okay, now right leg back. And raising the sun now. Okay, now lift up your stick. Go turn behind until you touch the ground behind. Okay, and look up 45. Exhale. Okay, come back to the front. Okay, now turn yourself to Malaki. Okay, left hand down, right hand up. Stay for 3, 2, 1. Okay, turn the stick level. Come back to the center here. Make your leg a bit smaller. Yeah, hands smaller. Inhale up. Exhale, come down completely. Squat here. Squat here, yeah. Okay, level your stick. Come, inhale, come up without lifting your heels up. Exhale, come down here, completely down, down, down. But you must learn how to sit down, round the back. Sit down safely. Turn your leg one side. Stick on your back now. Go, inhale. Exhale, forward, fold down. Stay for 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come up. Exhale, turn yourself to your left. Stick in a groove along with your left leg. Your stay for 3, 2, 1. Slowly turn back. Come back to the front. Inhale up. Come. Move your stick up. Okay? We are almost done. Come. Stick towards your